Sounds of the verse.
Check. Sir Drifter in the building. Sir Spyro. Shout out Mystery on the rhythm. Sounds of the verse. Where we going with it? Funny what a check can do. Man was gang, so you put a reckless move. Now man, I putting checks on you, disrespecting who? Come in the Mac 5 plus 3 plus that 2. Turn around, see no crew. Come in the Mac 5 plus 3 plus that 2. Turn around, see no crew. So why would you try to offend me? Defend my lack of temende. Cool and calm, do what man like. Shaolin Sensei and undies smash fit sitsu. Make it an issue when my dogs turn up with the muzzle. Take it off bar, pull it back on another shuffle. Leaving your friends all puzzled. Best friend holding a man in a ball, all huddle while the rusty's roaring. New part of the ends touring. Show you about scoring points. 2 in a week, now man, you'll get 4 in an hour. Make man hide and cower. 4 man deep in a beat down, smoked up rover. Ready to turn man over. Young ones are back like a Tour de France. Might get more for a glance. Do we like pack hit him up? Man, do we like shack up at the Kartinski? I said, do we like pack hit him up? Man, do we like shack up at the Kartinski? It could be a beat down rover, S-line dinger. Either way, it's getting on top. And that could be a best man, best friend, a best. Either way, it's gonna get boy. Trust, it all changed when I saw them racks. You don't know about 35 stuffed in your sock drawer, all in sterling cash. Said there's no need for wonder. Coming, I was deep in the middle like Pogba. Furthermore, pay the middle like skulls. Give the young boys through balls, tell them nick some goals. And I ain't talking about sidelines, bips and poles. More like bips and O-or. Splash and crash and hit your bro face on t-shirt when your friends them know. Born and raised as a savage, raised for the challenge. Caught when your man wouldn't manage. Still getting bricks to the veggies, safe for the readies. Investments in life cash. Mad one move like Saf. Fast lane living one so they don't crash. Snub on the dash. Hop out gloves in the mass. That's if you're moving daft. Been already still up for the task. I'll just put that spinner on blast. But right now I'm on some new thing. Kicking back, chilling, recruiting. Youngers earning. Tell them to save that sterling. Now make the time to splash. Grind and graph. Put down Lizzie and stack. With big process C stacks. Can't my ting beat like Kaka. 09p money. How head top scatter. Older and wiser. Still ride out with a visor. Don't use blood for some passer. Treating my bros like blood. If I got it, me casa su casa. If they got it and I want it, don't need samples. Just bust it like a chick when she listening to dance halls. So that's 2 packs gone in a week. Girlfriend's hair and nails on fleek. Face got beat by MUA. Pussy got beat by May. Going in raw long strokes. Don't take it out. Treat it like Stormin slogan. Boss it. Don't smoke Ammy and cheese. Just boss it. R.I.P. Stormin say boss it. Boss it. Sir Drifter. Sir Spyro. Mystery. Sound of the verse. Zimmy.